how to view your Discover credit card balance and transactions online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a quick snapshot of your Discover card, well here is how to check balance and transactions on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to click your Discover credit card to open the account and there right at the top you'll see your current balance, available credit and next payment due. So there you can scroll to recent activity to view your latest purchases, payments, credit cards and fees and there you can just click any transactions to see full details, date, merchant, amount and posting status. And with that you can also use filters or the search bar to sort by date range, type or amount and export as PDF or CSV if needed. And that's it. That's how you can view your Discover credit card balance and transactions online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.